I just wanted to make a quick video of our most recent snowfall. We still have a blizzard going on. Wind's not supposed to let up until probably about 6 o'clock tonight. But I just wanted to make a quick video of where our cars are at, the snow is at, snow banks, everything else. There's the tractor Seth bought, and he's been moving a lot of snow for us. But yeah, there we are, North Dakota, a little bit of snow.